month. Welcome to December and welcome to the Vlogmas series. Let's clean. Happy new month. Welcome to December and welcome to the Vlogmas series. A little bit excited, but I know this thing is going to be so taxing. Let's start. So today being the 1st of December, I actually just want to clean. I don't know, I just feel like I'm going to clean up and just get ready for the Vlogmas. I'm trying to block the pile of clothes. I'm trying to block the pile of clothes I have. Yeah. So let's get that sorted. So I just wanted to point out that my vlogs for this Vlogmas series may not be long. It could be like 10 minutes, 8 minutes, 7 minutes. It's not going to be long, but I just want to be showing up, right? There are days that it will be long, like if I have a lot of activities planned for the day, then we'll get long vlog. Like today I have nothing planned aside from cleaning up, so I don't really guarantee the first day of, oh my god, it's the first day of Vlogmas. Day one, I don't know if it's going to be long, but let's just clean, and I have movies to watch, so let's clean.
Happy music.
Life, things are going to happen and God will be as if he's silent. And in that season, before you make all these proclamations and assumptions and ruin everything, before you talk too much and come up with philosophies and theologies, just say, Father, I thank you. I don't know how the divorce happened, but Lord, I thank you. I don't know how I lost the baby, but Lord, I thank you. I don't know how I didn't get the job, but Lord, I thank you. The reason why is that in all things, it didn't say for all things. When it says in, meaning that whatever you find yourself in, give thanks. For means that God did it. He says, wherever you find yourself, give thanks. Sometimes a small testimony to encourage you. But the thing is that once you don't have a grateful heart, you don't see it. You're not even patient enough for God to walk you through the process. I don't know what's going on, but Lord, I'm grateful. I don't know why that bad thing happened, but Lord, in all things, I'm grateful. It hurts me to even say it. Even when I see the doctor's report, it hurts to even say it. But Lord, I'm grateful.
So bubbles, we have come to the end of today's vlogmas day 1. I just wanted to take you guys to refresh and get ready for the activities of December. So we're going to try to party hard, although I doubt that. I really doubt that, but we're gonna try. So if you have enjoyed watching this video, thank you. Bye.